communication. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, or even when you are using a good quality receiver in the keyboard.